Hey guys, what's up? Matt here, and welcome to the episode of Just a Tip. Today, what we're gonna go over is the reason why you're getting think about it objections. Now, obviously there can be a lot of reasons, but essentially the main reason is going to be a lack of urgency. Where does a lack of urgency come? A lack of urgency comes from a lack of consequence. Within our sales process, we need to address a few things. One of the main things being time frame and consequence of the inaction. So you wanna focus on what happens when they do the action, and then what happens if they don't do the action. So those are key things to distinguish. So if you're getting a lot of think about it objections, what I would recommend is I would go back through, I would have a look at the conviction that you have on which you're delivering your presentation, also how much buy-in you're getting during your presentation. Then what I would do is go back through a little bit further up the stream, have a look at your consequence questions, or have a look at, do you think if you actually got the real problem? Those are the main things that I would say that I'm problem solving whenever I'm dealing with someone who's getting a lot of think about it objections. The next thing that's outside of the sales process is you mentally, kind of where are you at? Not from a mindset perspective, but more from a life perspective. Do you have a tremendous amount of uncertainty in your life? Are you going through a breakup? Is there something going that's going to stop you from having that level of conviction required to get somebody over the line? All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. That's the main things that I would look at if you're getting a lot of think about it objections. All right, guys, bye.